Flashforge Adventure 5M Pro is your go-to choice. The winner for today. This printer is all about combining speed, quality, and convenience into one impressive package. First, let's talk speed. With a maximum travel speed of 600 mm/s, it's like having a race car in your workshop. The nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, meaning less waiting and more creating. Compared to many printers that take much longer to heat up and print, this feature alone saves you a heap of time. But speed doesn't mean sacrificing quality. Thanks to its Core XY structure and all-metal frame, the Adventure 5M Pro maintains stability even at high speeds, ensuring your prints come out just as you imagine. The option to use multiple nozzle sizes means you can easily switch between detailed work and faster, less intricate prints, making it versatile for any project. The convenience of this printer is a huge plus. It uses pressure sensing for automatic bed leveling, which is a fancy way of saying it adjusts itself so you don't have to. No manual tweaking needed, which is a relief for anyone who's ever struggled with leveling a print bed. Plus, the dual-sided PEI platform makes removing your prints a breeze. Just pop them off when you're done. For those who want everything managed from their smartphone, the Flashforge app lets you monitor, track, and tweak your prints remotely. Features like auto shutdown and filament detection add layers of convenience and safety that most other printers in its class don't offer. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best. You got it.